Now let's look at another symptom, and I call it auxiliary verb goo. Okay, I confess, I'm guilty of making up weird names for grammatical concepts that perhaps do have real names, but that I can't find using Google or even my ChatGPT app. So in addition to switcheroo nouns and wimpy verbs, please add all my all-time favorite, auxiliary verb goo. Yep, auxiliary verb goo appears in the Nouny writer's style. It's not hard to figure out why these puddles of words show up in the Nouny style. The Nouny writer doesn't use verbs, so what happens when she needs to convey the meaning of an auxiliary verb? How on earth does she say must termination? Here's how the Nouny writer pulls it off. For must termination, the Nouny writer says, there is a requirement of our termination of this practice. Now, to fix this mess, students of this course would say that the derivative noun termination buries the verb terminate. They would then say that the long-winded word terminate means nothing more than the four-letter word stop. When students of this course convert termination down to the short word stop, they immediately see the auxiliary verb goo. The puddle of words, there is a requirement, are simply trying to say the auxiliary verb must. So students of this course would never write, there is a requirement of our termination of this practice. No, they would recognize the auxiliary verb goo and instead write, we must stop this practice. Look at your handout for other examples of auxiliary verb goo.